Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Google Notebook LM application. So first of all, you need to install this smart application in your smartphone. Then simply tap on the open button. Then I already created my account, so it will create your account automatically. You just have the login your Gmail. Then you can see the interface this way. So simply tap the create new. So in the very first beginning here, sources let netbook LMS basis its response on the information that matters most to you. Like you can upload PDF for the website, YouTube, copy text. So simply tap here. I'm just going to tap copy text, paste text here. So you can text here something dialogue, add. I'm just going to upload it. So sources. So here you can see, so now you can source guide, you can see dialog. So delete source, you can delete it, you can chat it now here. Hi, it's like a AI, so everything you will get here. It's really to navigate and simple to use. Hello, I see that the source material provided for our discussion is an excerpt title dialog with specifically mention the term dialog. Okay, so they will, I just upload this, like you can do it everywhere, share, title, download it. So create new, if you type here YouTube, then paste your YouTube URL, then they will discuss about it. And create here, if you tap here from PDF, then you have to upload your PDF here. So for example, I'm just going to upload randomly something like this, and once I upload it, then they will read it and observe it, and after that they will give you the discussion things. So simply tap here and source, sorry, tap here on this thing. So this is the materials. Okay, so now you can ask chat. So you can see sources is here, audio overview. So if you tap here audio overview and generated audio overview, then it will generate it according to your text or that you provided already, and you can customize your things is here, but I don't think it's not needed. And the generating, and after that you can listen it. So if you create here, you can see here 5 options here, so you can use all of them. Share, title, recent, so all the things see here.